Hooking up power to your Signature Series hot tub requires a certified electrician to get the job done safely and up to code. Unlike smaller spas, your hot tub doesn't plug into a standard outlet. Instead, your electrician will hardwire 4 wires directly to the spa's control panel. They will also connect a breaker box outside so you could safely turn off the hot tub for maintenance or service. To access the control panel, remove the front cabinet sections located beneath the topside display. Your electrician will drill a hole on either the left or right side of the cabinet, depending on the best access point, and run conduit and wiring directly through to the control box. And that's it. Your Signature Series spa will be ready for its first soak once the electrical is in place and inspected. For more setup tips and features, be sure to explore other Signature Series tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.